Corvettes are certainly collector's cars, and this is one of those. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Commemorative Edition hardtop. Just a little over 27,000 miles, and this is a beautiful car. Stunning shine. This car looks great. This is Lemans Blue on the exterior. It has that black interior, and under the hood a 405 horsepower LS6 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be fun to drive, and it's going to turn heads. Factory features includes heads-up display, memory package, Bose CD stereo, polished wheels that look great, dual-zone electronic climate control. It has carbon fiber hood, power driver seat, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors. I've run out of things power to say. So it also has tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax. And this 2004 Corvette Z06 Commemorative Edition shows, as we said, just 27,411 miles, and it is in good condition. The car's paint is good to very good, has a great shine, and those factory polish wheels are very good, and just an absolutely stunning car. The interior, of course, as you can see, shows very good factory leather seats and door panels, and very good to excellent steering wheel, center console. Additions to this car include a flat black low ducktail style rear spoiler, has trunk divider with C5 logo embroidery, center console lid with the C5 logo embroidery, valve stem caps with the C5 logo as well, and black door sill covers with white Corvette script, which actually look very nice. I haven't seen a lot of those. So give us a call today here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Remember, we specialize in online sales, so you can look at this car, you can talk to a sales representative, and you can buy online with ease, but most importantly with confidence, and we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you would ever imagine. So give us a call. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do hit that notification button, you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to hear from you really soon.